All right, so we're gonna start this. We're gonna see how it works.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way.
Hello everyone, thanks for joining me for today's video. If you've seen any of my other videos, welcome back. And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload. So we have my husband back with me today, and today we're going to be chemically relaxing his hair. As you can see, he's very curly and he just washed it and let it dry, and this is what his hair does. This is just his hair. So we have this Maintamer. It says it's a two-step straightening system. I've never used this one, so we're hoping to get a kind of Patrick Dempsey soft wave swept back kind of look.
Show a picture.
I'll pop a picture in right now. All right.
Patrick Dempsey hair for the viral apocalypse.
Yes, this is what we're doing now that we're stuck at home all day, every day due to COVID-19. I'm not working. He's still working a little bit, but me and Mom's hair salon is closed now. So I picked this up actually before everything shut down. We've been planning on doing this video for a while, and now that we've got a bunch of free time on our hands, we're gonna get her done. So let's open this up. We'll see what our instructions say, Matthew. Like I said, I've never used this one before. So this is step 1. And step 2. So I'm guessing just like a perm solution and a neutralizer is what I'm assuming. I don't know if you have to use the whole tube or not. It says it's for normal, resistant, previously permed, lightly highlighted, or tinted hair. So that leads me to believe it should be pretty gentle. Normal or naturally curly, 15 minutes to 25 minutes. So, application. Step 1, directly on the hair with a tint brush, keeping product half an inch away from the scalp. Oh, we can't put it right to scalp. So he might still be kind of poofy when this is all said and done. His curl comes right from the root, so I might comb it into the root for the last 5 minutes. He's my husband, so I can risk a little chemical burn. Right, babe?
Sure. Anything for the Patrick Dempsey hair.
Yeah, gently spread through the mid-shafts and ends. Comb through with wide tooth comb, keeping hair straight. Do not massage, rub, or work product into the hair or scalp. Continue to all quadrants. Quadrants. God, learn to speak, Sam. This is what happens when you're home all day. Apparently I forget how to talk. Maintain a product on the hair. Alright, so just says to put it in and comb it through. And leave. You are normal or naturally curly, so 15 to 25 minutes.
You might want to comb this rat's nest first.
Nah, I mean...
It might get tangly if you don't.
It's not going to get tangled. I'll brush it. Alright. Alright, we have Matthew all caped up. I just realized I never got to the part in the directions about what step 2 is. So we're going to process that 15 to 25 minutes. And then step 2, neutralizing. Rinse thoroughly for 10 minutes with warm water. Apply step 2, all quadrants beginning in the nape. Using a gloved hand, spread step 2 through the shaft and ends. Comb hair straight with wide tooth comb periodically. Hair must be kept straight once step 2 is applied, all in caps. Then you process that for 5 minutes and rinse for 5 minutes. Style as desired. So we might need to give him a little trim when this is all said and done. I'm not sure what it's going to look like. It doesn't tell me whether or not I need to use all of this or if I can use this on more than one person. So I'm just going to squirt it into my color bowl as I need it. And I might get more than one use out of it. Maybe we'll be able to retouch it as you grow out. Alright. I wonder if this smells like perm. Oh, it smells like perm. It has that kind of eggy smell. Not as strong as the old perms, but it still smells like perm. I'm not going to separate his hair into 4 quadrants because it's short hair. I'm just going to start back here and work my way up. Now, it did say to wash with a clarifying shampoo first. We don't have a clarifying shampoo at home. He did, however, just wash his hair, and he doesn't use conditioner, so it should be fine.
You were magic the moment that I met you, and you're so beautiful that
The box does say chemical straightening system. I feel like one major mistake companies made is calling these straighteners. These are never going to give a flat ironed effect, but we just want him to have some manageable wave. So that's our end goal, to not have an afro. Right, babe? What, did you want it to look flat ironed?
It's just all new, babe. Never done it before. It's a scary new world.
there is nothing like you, and I would see you in my dreams when I'd rather be together, baby. All I need in this life is your company. Falling in love and it feels like the first time.
What's that smell like?
Egg.
No, it smells like something else.
Sulfur.
Yeah, like sulfur.
Mm-hmm. That's perm. That's what it smells like.
Falling in love and it feels like the first time.
We kind of want this to sweep back, right?
I don't really know.
Well, it's your hair. How do you want to style it?
Like this, Patrick Dempsey. This.
You need me to put the picture back in?
Yes, Patrick Dempsey.
Babe, I haven't found a picture yet. We haven't looked at a picture yet.
It was that picture that you just posted. This.
Yeah, but we haven't actually looked at that yet. I'm just posting it post-production. Not
Well,
post-production, post-filming. In production. There we go.
I don't know where to go, but I want you to be mine.
Maybe I should be working a bit from the other side. Let's turn this. There. Now they can see a bit what's happening.
I'm falling in love and it feels like the first time. Feels like the first time. Don't let nobody.
Okay, we're getting close. Getting close. Geez, if you had any length of hair, you definitely need 2 tubes of this. Just saying.
Tell you that you're not beautiful. You give so much to the world, but get nothing back at all. She wants new beginnings, always made hopeless wishes. She
I have some gross thoughts as to what I smell like. I don't know if they're appropriate for your video.
If it's not, I can just cut it out.
I feel like, bear with me,
Oh God.
because this is going to draw some questions for you. I feel like I smell like the inside of a well-used public washroom garbage can.
As for the questions, how do you know what that smells like? Tip your head up. There.
I've been around, you know.
Yeah, but why would you be smelling the inside of a public bathroom garbage can?
Well, strange things happen.
Obviously.
Sometimes, you know, you fall down and then you're like try and stand up and you knock over a public washroom garbage can all over yourself.
So you're saying this happened when you were drunk?
She don't know what she wants. She don't know what she wants. It's more than love for an evening. Could be more than a weekend. I won't mind wasting this time. Long as I can call you mine. But you were magic the moment that I met you. And you're so beautiful that there is nothing like you. And I would see you in my dreams.
So I'm just kind of brushing this in the direction that I want it to go. So I'm brushing everything kind of back, and then in the back I'm putting it down. I kind of want his hair to be like back and swept. So, all right, now we're gonna process. I don't think we're supposed to cover this. I'm gonna double check the directions. First I'm gonna set my timer. So we're gonna set it for the 15 minutes and check it at 15. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna process you for 20 and call it a day. Timer. 20 minutes. There. So we got that. Processing 20 minutes has started.
But it's already been in there for more than...
We need it 20 minutes from the last section. It says 15 to 25. So I'm just doing 20.
Burn slightly. Do we add heat to this or anything? So I just sit here.
I'm just checking to see if we cover it like a perm. But
It's gonna be wavy.
that's what I'm hoping for.
Well, I mean,
No, it doesn't say to cover it, and it doesn't say to add heat.
see, like over my ear, for example, curves.
Process at room temperature, or only do not cover or use heat.
What would happen if we did?
You might burn your hair. Why are you getting so close to the camera? Nobody wants to look at your face that close up, babe. I love you. Alright, so now we're waiting. We'll come back to you when it's time to rinse.
20 minutes later.
Alright guys, we have 7 seconds left. 5, 4, 1. Okay, so we're gonna do a test strand. I'm just gonna see if it still looks curly. I'm gonna take a little piece here. Oh no, it's looking pretty straight. It's not. Yeah. Let's say we're good, babe. So we're gonna take them to the sink to rinse. Come on.
When I'd rather be together, baby. All I need in this life is your company. Falling in love and it feels like the first time. Falling in love and it feels like the first time. I don't know where to go, but I want you to be mine. 'Cause I'm falling in love and it feels like the first time. Feels like the first time.
Whoa, look how straight it is. Can you see?
Mm-hmm.
All right, Now, I don't know if we need to be pretty dry for the neutralizer or not. So, we're just gonna... Oh, there's still a little bit of wave. I love it. Oh my god. It looks lighter. How's that even... Wow.
It's falling into a natural part.
I know. You have a part, Matthew. Wow. That's pretty wild. Have you ever seen your hair so straight?
No. Well, yes.
Flat iron.
Not permanent.
Best thing about this is if you decide to hate it, it won't take very long for it to grow out. If you decide you love it, I guess we just have to keep doing it. Alright, now we're going to put the neutralizer on. That has to sit for 5 minutes and then we rinse for another 5 minutes. So for the neutralizer, it pretty much just says to slop it in. Gloved hand, neutralizer tube, and a handy dandy wide tooth comb. Do you go any lower? Can you sledge just a little bit for me, please? Cover. Alright, so we're just gonna squirt this in and start combing it through.
There is nothing like you, and I would see you in my dreams when I'd rather be together, baby.
So it basically says the same thing for this. Put it in, mush it in, and comb it straight.
All I need in this life is your company. Falling in love and it feels like the first time. Falling in love and it feels like the first time. I don't know where to go, but I want you to be mine. 'Cause I'm falling in love and it feels like the first time. Feels like the first time.
Alright, timer for 5 minutes. Delete that one, set for 5, and go.
Sort of vampiric.
What's that?
It's vampiric.
Well, yeah, you're really slicked back right now. Alright, we have 4 minutes left of processing. We'll be back for a rinse, and then I'm going to give him a quick haircut, and we're going to style him up and see how it looks.
One eternity later.
Alright everyone, this is Matthew's finished look. As for the Patrick Dempsey hair, I think we did a pretty good job. Let's just pick this camera up and have a real look here. Like, it's not bad. It's really not bad. It came out actually straighter than I expected. We do still have a little bit of wave. I probably could have used a little bit more of the product right in here. But, I mean, it looks pretty good, babe. What do you think?
This is cool as hell.
It's not bad. It looks pretty good. I think we did an alright job. So, let's set this back here. Whoops. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified every time I upload. If you want, you can also follow me on my other social media to see what I don't always post on YouTube. You can find me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. As always, I will link everything we used in today's video in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Patrick Dempsey hair!